This slide illustrates some of our lessons learned. The first being that communication is key. We started out the semester using the online discussion boards in Canvas. We moved to email, and as the group project continued, we realized we needed to get each other's phone numbers. We were texting, we were having online meetups because distance learning is a challenge, and especially group work in distance learning is a challenge. So communication was probably the number one thing that we had to ensure was present for us to get the work done and to get it done well. Hand in hand with that was generating deadlines early. We divided up the group work, and even if there wasn't a deadline set in the syllabus, we needed to create our own deadlines to make sure that we could get feedback before a final submission, or just to make sure that we had enough time for any last minute revisions or additions, or if an emergency came up, something came up in someone's schedule, at least we had a little cushion there if we had our own early deadlines. Ask for clarification early and often. This goes back to what I was saying in the previous slide of problems encountered, where we had some difficulty understanding fully what was expected of us in some of the assignments. And the times that we asked for clarification early, we did a lot better. The weeks that we maybe didn't ask for clarification, we were kind of scrambling. Learning from your mistakes. This is a universal life lesson. There was one part of the project in particular that we seemed to all be a little confused about and dropped the ball on. And we learned from those mistakes and quickly turned it around and were able to, within the same week, submit a much better revised version of that portion of the project. So even though we made a lot of mistakes initially, I'm really proud of how our group came together. And that leads me to the last point, which is that teamwork is essential. I think I can speak for all of us when I say that we couldn't have done this project without each and every member of our group. And I'm just so proud of how well we worked together. I think we all did equal work. And, if someone had something going on one week that maybe they weren't able to contribute as much, then the other group members pitched in, and then vice versa with someone else in a different week. So I'm just really proud of how we all worked together. And I'm really proud of our final presentation. It was a great semester and a great learning experience.